Hey there, welcome to the brand new video on how to start a one-person business using AI. AI is getting smarter and smarter every day. There is no better time to start the business using AI than today. You can get started your own business using AI without any cost. Do you want to learn how? If yes, then watch this video until the end and you will have complete clarity on how you're going to build your own business using AI. Excited? So watch me for complete clarity in today's time how you can build your own one-person business. No huge offices, employees, or no investment in any kind of a paid tools. To get started, there are enough free tools, free strategies that I'm going to give it to you. And on the basis of that, you can get started this journey. So there could not be a better time than this. So hear me out clearly, step by step. I'm going to walk you through. Pay attention, and you will have your one-person business get started using AI within few minutes. So let me share my screen and walk you through the step-by-step process. Okay, so first of all, to begin with, you need to figure it out. What is your topic that you are knowledgeable in? You have got skills or you have got expertise into that. It could be your hobby, it could be your prior corporate experience, or it could be something that you have gone through some transformation in the past and you have now good knowledge into that. So that could be anything which is close to your heart, or maybe people like to get opinion about and they appreciate you on that topic. So think about the topic that you are really good at, and that should be a very good starting point. Okay. Number two, you need to think about the problem that you can solve in the market, right? So let's say your topic is yoga, and using yoga, you can help people to lose weight. So that is the problem that you can solve in the market. Let's take another example. Let's say you are good in digital marketing. That's your topic. But the problem that you can solve in the market, let's say using AI automation, or maybe using social media marketing, or using maybe paid ads, right? Let's take another example. Let's say you're a business coach. That's your topic. But the problem that you can solve in the market could be you helping restaurants to set up business within 90 days, and that too right from the day one profitable business. Or let's say you are helping manufacturing businesses cut down their operational cost by 2x and increase their revenue by 5x in the next 6 months. Let's say that is a problem that you can solve in the market, right? So you really get to find the problem that you can solve in the market and bring transformation with your knowledge, with your expertise, or your skills that you have got, knowledge or expertise that you have got in a specific topic and the specific market, right? So these are the two things that you need to define first. And before you define these two things first, don't move an inch forward, because starting a one person business or a solo business, I should say, you should not be in hurry. that, okay, you just type a few prompts, or you just think, or you just get excited about some AI tools and get started. No, be very clear on your value proposition, because at the end, your knowledge, your experience, your expertise is something that is irreplaceable. Anything and everything you can build on top of that. But remember, get clear on these two things. Choose your topic, find the problem that you can solve in the market, and until and unless you get clarity on these two things, do not move inch forward with the step number 3 that I'm going to reveal now. Okay, just be sure of that. Next, step number 3, you need to see how big the market size is, which means whichever market that you have defined, that okay, this is what the market that you're going to help with, and this is what the problem you're going to solve. You need to really find out that how big the market is. Okay, whether it's too big or too low. If it is too big, it's again a problem. You'll be again, targeting everyone in your nation. When you're getting started, it's not good, right? So you need to be very specific, but at the same time, you need to be very sure that these market that you're going to target should not be very low or very small, I would say. Okay, so it should not be too big, it should not be too small. Okay, and I'm definitely going to give you, a few guidelines going forward, where you can find out the market, the TAM, total addressable market, we call it as, right? So you really need to research your TAM, total addressable market, to find out that your market is not too big or too small. Make sure of that. The step number 4 that you need to focus on is plan the entire business model before getting into AI and all those things. Of course, you can use the AI for that, to plan your entire business model. And in the entire business model, I definitely have the magic prompts. There are 5 to 6 magic prompts which you need to run it in Google Gemini or ChatGPT or Cloud to to build your entire profitable business model, on which you need to operate on. Because AI and AI agents, AI automations, AI tools all come secondary, right? The first thing that you need to focus on is the knowledge business model, your business model, your profitable business model, on which your entire business is going to take a foundation. Okay, so make sure that you define your product and pricing strategy, delivery and fulfillment system. I know it might be sounding little overwhelming, but don't worry. I'm going to give you 5 to 6 ChatGPT prompts to run it through to make it really simple. You can find the link in the description or in the comment section, and make sure that you download it and run it through. Okay, so delivery fulfillment system, how it should be. So what should be your the first, what should be your product, how you need to make your funnels, your pricing, what should be your one-time pricing or recurring pricing, high ticket, low ticket, everything it will tell you. Okay, don't get overwhelmed. Next is delivery and fulfillment system. So how you're going to deliver your digital product and services to the customer, the entire system, the SOPs and everything. Then the marketing strategy, how you're going to acquire the customer. right? Uh, how you should do the organic marketing, the paid marketing, right? Outreach and all those kind of things. Organic, inorganic, and everything else. How you need to close customer, like what should be your sales strategy. I've got a proven framework called Sell Like a Doctor. In this framework, it is a like it, it is a like objection. Uh, it prevent the objections. This particular sales framework, right? So if you follow this sales strategy, which I'm going to give it to you using this ChatGPT prompts, it will tell you how you can prevent your prospects from the objections and close the customer on the first call itself. The entire framework called Sell Like a Doctor is designed based on the value selling formula. Okay, so you will find it right there inside the link, which I'm going to put it somewhere in the description and in the first comment section. So do check it out. Okay. Next thing is the scaling strategy. Okay, you've launched your one-person business using AI. Now, what about growing? What about the growth? What about scaling the business? Let's say you have earned your first $1,000 or 1 lakh plus. How you scale it to 10 lakhs, 10,000 US dollar? How you scale it to 1 CR, which is 100K US dollar, or 1 million, which is 10 crore a year business? How you do that? So what should be your scaling strategy? You will learn all of that using these prompts that I've given. So don't forget to check this out. This is going to be the biggest bonus I could ever give to my audience, right? Next, step number 5, use AI. Now it is time to use once you build the foundation really strong, right? Then you go ahead and use the AI excessively to build the digital products and services business. Okay, so you can use there are plenty of tools out there. You can use the LLM like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude for research and writing assistance. You can use Lovable, Emergent, or any other landing page builder for website and building your SaaS products, right? Use VO3 or Nano Banana Pro for creative ads and images. You can use AI agents and automations like N10 or Make.com or any other tools like Zapier or you know uh, Public Connect to free up your time from repeated tasks. And that's the entire blueprint to start a one-person business using AI. How that sounds to you? Please let me know in the comments down below, and I would be happy to make such useful videos for you. And please go through the prompts which I have given to you. It will just change the way you start your business using AI. Trust me, okay? So with that, signing off, and thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, see you soon.